Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are jumping into the January 2022 Look Fantastic Beauty Box in this really cute seafoam box. We're going to jump into all of the items inside. As always, we're going to look at this through the lens of, if I was to take this money that you would normally put towards this box, would you get your value out of it here, or would you be better off taking that money to Ulta, Sephora, Target, the works? Anyway, if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching, and don't forget to subscribe because I upload every other day. That'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to jump into the January Look Fantastic box with me, stay tuned. Alright, so there is the theme card. I've noticed the past few Look Fantastic and Glossy boxes, because they are owned by the same company, have not had these in there, so I'm really happy that it is back. This is the Wellness is the Way box, where they're all about self-care and wellness. So jumping into the first item, this is from the brand Ahava. This is the Dead Sea Water Mineral Conditioner. Black shampoo or black conditioner or mineral shampoo or mineral conditioner. So you can get one of 4 products. I got the mineral conditioner, which is a gentle conditioner to hydrate the hair, containing aloe vera and chamomile. Apply to wet hair, lather, and rinse off thoroughly. Looking at the ingredients in here, I'm not seeing anything that's like jumping out as products I don't want to use. It does have fragrance in here, but fragrance as an alcohol I don't like. Fragrance as an oil I don't mind, because fragrance oils can be added to conditioners for, again, fragrance, but if it's an oil base, it's not damaging to the hair. This also has glycerin, which is very hydrating, Dead Sea water, which is very nourishing, and castor oil, which will actually help with breakage and increasing the thickness and health of the hair follicle. So I am actually going to be happy to try that out. Normally, you know, I'm very skeptical about hair products and tend to skip them more often than I use them. Next, from the brand Skin Chemist London, this is the Rose Quartz Youthful Defense Lip Plump. Boost volume and shine with a perfectly pink lip plump from Skin Chemist. Nourishing formula provides a temporary boost to plump the lips and leave a long-lasting shine using peppermint oil and mica. So this is something that obviously with no makeup on, I'm not going to be using. I don't love lip plumpers. I recently revisited one from Too Faced that I hadn't used in a very long time, and honestly it irritated my lips. So anything that's like pepperminty, I tend to avoid. When it comes to my lips, the Jouer Lip Enhancer is pretty much where I stay, and that's not typically something I deviate from. Next, from the brand This Works, this is a deep sleep pillow spray with lavender and wild chamomile. Spray a fine mist over your pillow for a relaxing slumber. January wellness is all about perfect sleep, and what better way to catch up on some Z's than with some completely relaxing and totally rejuvenating pillow spray from This Works. It works perfectly for those who want to wind down. I actually have been recently using one from Rituals that's, I want to say jasmine and lavender. I'll have to double check that, but I did review it, so you guys know what it is more than I would, because I don't read bottles when they're in my hand. Anyway, I have been really liking that one, and I am almost out, so I'm really excited to give this one a try, because sleep is one of those things that I've always had an issue with. I tend to be very insomniatic. I think that's the word. I definitely suffer from insomnia and have an issue getting to sleep. Once I'm asleep, I have no problem staying asleep, but it's getting to sleep that's the problem. So things like this definitely tend to help me out. Next, from Bloom and Blossom, this is the Hands Up Age-Defying Hand Cream. We have received items from this brand in the past, and they are very nourishing and really quite beautiful. They don't have a very strong fragrance, which is something I really like. And now that I'm in Colorado, again, where it's very dry, hand creams are things that I finally reintroduced. In Florida, I got to kind of skip those. Now that I'm back in a cold climate that's much drier, definitely something I've had to reintroduce into my routine. Now, the next 2 products are not listed in here, so we're just going to kind of go off of what's on here. First, from Polar, this is an Eternal Snow Youthful Promise Cream with Arctic Flowers. I don't love this product. It came in, I don't remember if it was my Look Fantastic box in the past or if it was a Glossy box advent calendar, but this product definitely came in one of those boxes, and I didn't love it. I, again, was living in Florida, so my skin might like it a little bit more now, but it's one of those things that I definitely didn't like it to the point where I would not even give it a second chance when there's so much great skincare out there and so many products I'm trying. It just doesn't make the cut of things that impress me. And the last item is from the brand Bubble Tea Bath & Body. This is the Lavender Tea Body Wash. Let the feeling of this calm, moisturizing body wash hydrate and nourish your skin. The bespoke blended fragrance of citrus, lavender, and tea extracts soothe your skin and relax your mind. clear botanical experience to add to your bedtime ritual. Again, it is the lavender tea scent. I'm really excited to try this out, and it's probably the item that is the most intriguing out of the box, next to the Pillow Mist. Now, Look Fantastic is a $19 a month subscription box, so when I look at the items here, I definitely think this box and the way that it's curated is worth the $19, especially because most of the time they have a, like, if you subscribe now, you'll get your first box for $1 or your first box for $10. So if I have one of those links, I will put it down below. Not an affiliate link, not a commission link. I'm not making money off of it. I'm just sharing it with you. That being said, especially when I look at this compared to my glossy box for the month, that video went up already, which I didn't think it was worth it. This one I definitely think is, because the assortment of products are a little bit more curated to the things I like. That being said, that doesn't mean that the other box was bad per se. It just means that when I look at it collectively at, all of the items in front of me, are these things I'm going to use? There were just too many products that don't fall in line with either the products I like to use or, I don't use disposable makeup wipes. That came in the other box, so it wasn't really something for me. That being said, I do just want to make the point of if you like it, get it. Nothing I'm saying is an absolute. Just because I won't use a reusable makeup wipe anymore doesn't mean you can't. I would rather you use the products you like over not using something simply because I said don't use it. That I don't think is fair, because there's plenty of items that people don't like or don't like to use or don't believe in that I still really, really like. So because of that, I do want you to take everything I say with a grain of salt. If you love it, love it. Keep using it. Don't let my opinion skew what you like. That being said, I do also want to say that I think the theme this month on pretty much all of the beauty boxes I've gotten have been very on point. January is very resolution focused. It's very big on self-care, skincare, and really getting back to the love yourself kind of ritual. And the fact that these products are all designed, lavender chamomile body wash, a pillow spray. It's all really designed very well to help soothe the body and mind and get you into that new year, new me mindset, which we all know how I feel about that, and I'll get into that at another day. But that being said, with the exception of the lip plumper, I think everything really works well to that refresh your routine and restart mindset. So I'm really here for it. Not that I dislike the lip plumper, I will have to try it out, but I was really happy when I opened this box and I saw no makeup. Because too often I find, especially this time of year, it's makeup, 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 when this is the time we need to focus on our skincare a little bit more. Anyway, as always, leave me your thoughts down below. I would love to hear them, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.